What causes traffic congestion? Have you ever found yourself stuck in traffic, wondering why it happens? Traffic congestion is a common issue in cities around the world, and it affects not just our daily commutes but also the environment. Let's break down what causes this frustrating phenomenon. One major factor is population growth and urbanization. As more people move into cities, the demand for transportation increases. Unfortunately, road infrastructure often does not keep up with this rapid growth. This imbalance leads to more cars on the road than the roads can handle, resulting in congestion. Another reason for traffic jams is limited road capacity. Every road has a maximum number of vehicles it can accommodate. When that limit is reached, traffic slows down. Urban planning sometimes fails to account for the rising number of residents, which means roads can become overcrowded. Peak hour traffic is another contributor. During morning and evening commutes, the number of vehicles on the road spikes. This concentrated travel time creates a bottleneck effect, causing significant delays. Accidents and incidents can also play a role. When a vehicle breaks down or an accident occurs, it reduces the available road space, leading to congestion. Even minor incidents can have a ripple effect, causing backups that last 4 miles. Construction and road work are necessary for maintaining our infrastructure, but they can also lead to traffic congestion. Lane closures and detours reduce road capacity, causing drivers to slow down or take longer routes. Now, let's consider the impact of traffic congestion on our ecosystems. Increased vehicle emissions from congested traffic contribute to air pollution. This not only harms human health but also affects local wildlife and plants by altering air quality. Noise pollution is another concern. The constant sound of traffic can disrupt wildlife habitats and even affect our mental well-being. Additionally, urban areas often experience the urban heat island effect, where cities become warmer than surrounding areas due to concentrated vehicles and infrastructure. This can lead to increased energy use and changes in local weather patterns. To tackle traffic congestion and its effects, we can implement several strategies. Encouraging the use of public transportation can significantly reduce the number of cars on the road. Smart traffic management systems can optimize traffic flow, helping to ease congestion and lower emissions. Urban planning plays a vital role as well. Designing cities with efficient road networks and green spaces can help manage traffic while preserving natural habitats. By understanding the causes of traffic congestion and its impact on our ecosystems, we can take steps to create a more sustainable and efficient urban environment.
Transport issues. Congestion. Traffic congestion occurs when there are more vehicles on the roads than the roads can handle. It occurs mainly at peak traffic times, when people are traveling to and from work. Roadworks, non-functioning traffic lights, accidents, and poorly designed road networks all contribute to congestion. In Beijing, China, in August 2010, there was a traffic jam over 90 kilometers long that lasted 12 days along China National Highway 110. The traffic volume at the time of the jam was 60% more than the capacity for which the road was designed. A spike in traffic was caused by the large number of trucks that were on the road at the time of doing roadworks. A recent survey showed that South Africans spend about 240 hours a year stuck in traffic jams. This means that the average South African loses 10 days of wages a year due to traffic congestion. This translates to a loss of over 60 billion rand to our economy every year. There are a number of ways to help to ease traffic congestion. Traffic lights can be synchronized to prevent traffic from building up at each intersection. They can also be set for longer durations to regulate the traffic better at peak times. Traffic circles can be used at intersections rather than stop streets or traffic lights. This will help to keep traffic flowing. Flexible working hours can be introduced so that less people are on the roads at peak times. For example, starting work at either 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. and then avoiding the peak morning traffic, whilst finishing at 3 p.m. or 6 p.m. and again avoiding the peak evening traffic. A lane on major roads in peak hours can be reserved for buses and minibuses only. Private cars will not be allowed in this lane. This will encourage more people to use public transport. Better public transport facilities can be built.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel or dive into our expert textbooks and get that learning edge.